That's incredible. My daughter's actually a philosophy major, so I'm sure she's going to enjoy listening to this. They say a sign of a man's intelligence is how often he can change his mind. Yeah, my congratulations, because very few people would be able to do that, and it gets harder for most people the older they get. You know, and I think it's a really healthy sign. It's one of the core principles here at London Real. I've had so many people come on my show that I fundamentally disagreed with, Larry, that my skin would bristle when they would go on their diatribes. But I always tried to get myself to shut my mouth and listen to their point of view. And I almost always would find myself changing my mind months, years to go past to consider these opinions. And that's why we've always had conversations with different people. And that's why I was always shocked when people tried to silence us, because I thought you really do want to listen to as many points of view as possible. Again, the solution to what people call bad information is always more information, never less information. So yeah, great to hear you say that. Yeah, I remember when Dr. Jordan Peterson came on my show in 19, and I was a student at MIT, and there's not a lot of religion going on at a place like that, and I was always very scientific. Okay, maybe I was too co-opted into science at some point. And But throughout this show, I've had some great experiences with people like Dr. Jordan Peterson, who at one point he said, Brian, he's like, the stories of the Bible are in our DNA. He said something to me like that. And it really took me back. And I thought, wow, it's almost like human technology. These are lessons that are built into who we are as people. And, they're kind of reflecting back to us who we really are. And so I'm still on my journey, obviously, but it's constantly changing, and it's quite fascinating. And I think it's really good for people to hear people like you talk about that. So yeah, thank you for that. I love the title. Nice and simple. And I like the fact you're not gonna make it any shorter. That makes me happy too.
My mother read it. I was shocked. I mean, she never reads anything that I write, and especially if it's like philosophical. And she said she read the whole thing. So yes, I was amazed at how viral it it was. You can never tell what you're right is going to go viral, and I definitely did not expect this to, but it did.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
It's an interesting time, Larry. Some would argue that we stopped, we stopped, worshiping deities, and we started worshiping, concepts, and we replaced, following religions with following, other forms of thought, right? Feminism, different parts of science, et cetera. And maybe deep down on an unconscious level, collectively, we're all realizing that maybe that's not right. Maybe we're not finding what we're looking for, and maybe we need to revert back with something that's kind of been fulfilling people over thousands of years, and we're created, to fill this need. So it's an interesting time, and we're seeing it now play out on social media. And the more people talk about it, it seems like there's more people listening. So yeah, very interesting times.
Yep. I think that's the um, there's been a backlash against socialism in the last generation, I mean, especially in the last 10 years, since Obama made it socially acceptable on the left advocate for socialist policies. Um, um, One of the basic things that has been said about socialism generally is that it makes a god of the government or of society. And some of the backlash that you describe could be a backlash against that. Our notion that, the sort of rituals and core values and credos that we accept are determined by some anointed class of social organizers, essentially a new kind of priestly class of socialists. That can appeal to perhaps some young people, and to collectivists generally. But for those of us who have actually paid attention and reacted as they should, in my opinion, to things like the COVID nonsense, that really helps us to reorient ourselves. Like the idea of a government or media or some professional anointed expert class, as it were, lording it over us, is simply wrong, right? And if we're throwing that away, if we're rebelling against that way of organizing society, then there is a God-shaped hole in our souls and in the way that we interact with each other. I think the Charlie Kirk's assassination and the reaction to it sort of revealed that.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long. And the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you.